How to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in the USA. Looking to land a job with Amazon, whether you want to work full time, part time, or seasonal, Amazon warehouse jobs offer solid pay, benefits, and flexible schedules. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly on how you can apply for an Amazon warehouse job in the USA step by step. Plus, I'll share insider tips, common mistakes to avoid, and how to boost your chances of getting hired. Before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So, what are Amazon warehouse jobs? Amazon warehouse roles are essential to the company's operation. Some common job titles include Fulfillment Associate, Sortation Center Associate, Amazon Air Associate, Delivery Station Worker. Now, most of these roles involve picking, packing, and shipping orders, operating scanners and conveyor belts, and lastly, working on your feet for long periods. Now, you don't need a CV or previous experience. Training is provided, and many roles starts around $17 to $20 per hour depending on your location. Now, how to go ahead and apply for the Amazon warehouse job. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the hiring.amazon.com. Basically, inside this page, you just want to scroll down, and from here you will be able to see the Amazon warehouses option. So just click on the search warehouse jobs, and basically inside we are then going to filter out our location. So let's go ahead and say that we are staying somewhere around New York. And from here, you will be able to see all of the available jobs near your location. Unfortunately, there are no available jobs in this specific location right here. But of course, you then want to filter this out depending on your location. Now you can also choose your shift preferences like day, nights, and weekends. You want to filter by full-time, part-time, or seasonal. So basically, if there's nothing available now on your area, you can sign up for a job alert in your area to go ahead and say alert if there's an opening. Now from there, after finding an application or a job opening in your location, you can just click on the job that you want to apply for and click on the apply now button. You'll then have to create Amazon.jobs account. You then have to fill out basic information like your name, email, phone, etc. And from there, you then have to answer simple eligibility questions like age, legal work status, etc. No resume or cover letter needed. Now let's talk about the hiring process. Basically, once you have applied, you'll usually go through an online assessment, basic questions on safety, teamwork, and following instruction. Now this process usually takes 20 to 30 minutes, and in other sites, you then have to go ahead and take this assessment face to face. Now, right after, you then have to navigate through the background checking. You must be 18 years old above and legally allowed to work in the US. No drug test for most warehouse roles excluding air or hazard zones. And lastly, you then have the appointment booking. You want to choose a hiring event date or virtual hiring session. You then want to bring required documents for ID verification. So basically, what documents do you need? You'll need to bring a valid photo ID like a driver's license or passport, and a proof of right to work in the US like your social security card, birth certificate, etc. Now, as a pro tip, you want to check 1 to 9 document list ahead of time. If you're missing anything, your application could be delayed, or they might find another employee that they might go ahead and hire. Now, what happens after you apply? If you basically pass the assessment and background check, you'll get a job offer via your email address. Next, you want to schedule your day 0 appointment, and then you will receive badge photo and paperwork. Then you then have the orientation plus training, which is completely free. You want to expect the process to take around 3 to 10 days depending on your location. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid on this procedure. You want to go ahead and use, or number one mistake is using the wrong job portal. So basically, you want to stick with hiring.amazon.com. Second mistake is that skipping or rushing through the online assessment. You want to be careful and you want to make sure that you have answered all of the questions seriously. Third is not checking your spam folder for job emails. Basically, from time to time, Amazon will go ahead and email you, and you want to make sure that those email is not on the spam folder. Fourth is showing up late on your appointment or missing required documents, because once again, if you have some missing documents, you might be delayed on your appointment and they might find another person. And lastly, not signing up for the email text alerts for the new roles open daily. As you have seen earlier, as of the moment, there are no jobs, but you want to go ahead and stay alert with the email and text alerts. So if there's a job opening near your location, you will then be alerted quickly. Now some additional tips to getting hired fast. You want to apply for multiple sites in your location, not just one. You want to choose flexible or overnight shifts for faster placements. You want to use the Amazon Jobs application to get real-time updates. You want to dress appropriately for orientation. No open-toed shoes because this is for safety. And lastly, you want to be polite and responsive. Customer service matters even in hiring. Now, I also want to tackle some perks of working at Amazon. Number one is competitive pay and regular raises. Second, medical, dental, and vision for full-time staff. Third, career choice program. Basically, Amazon pays for training or certification. Fourth is that you have flexible hours and shift choices. Fifth is that you have staff discount and holiday bonuses. And lastly, you then have internal promotions. You can move to management, driver roles, and etc. And so, there you have it. Your full guide to applying for an Amazon warehouse job in the USA. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Whether you want part-time work or full-time career, Amazon makes it easy to get started. You just want to head over to the hiring.amazon.com, filter out your location, and then you want to look for a job nearby your location. You don't need no resume, no interviews, just a few clicks and you're on your way. Basically, if you found this video or guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more job tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have applied or plan to apply soon. Good luck and happy job hunting. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.